Mary, the login system is working again.
Really? Did you fix it?
No, I did not change anything.
Wait, nothing?
Nothing. I came back from lunch and it was working.
That is very strange. Did you check the logs?
Yes, the logs show no errors, no changes, no updates.
What about the server? Did someone restart it?
I asked the team, nobody touched it.
Okay, so the code fixed itself?
I think so. Or maybe it never had a problem.
John, code does not fix itself.
I know, but I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
So what do we do?
We test it. If it works, we move on.
And if it breaks again?
Then we call it a mystery.
That is not a solution, John.
No, but it is a plan.
Fine, I will write a report. System recovered, cause unknown.
Perfect. Very professional.
You are lucky it is Friday.
Very lucky.